Small but terrible. Talk IG Deputy Italy, wala siya. Si Lieutenant Colonel Arturo Villarmino. Ang ating Executive Secretary ng Group of Command, wala din. Si Colonel Sandro Lozano, wala din. Ang ating magandang lalaki na namumuno dito sa Bologna, ang ating commanding officer, Lieutenant Colonel Daboy Rolon, sir. Ang mahusay na Tauk IG, commanding officer ng Firenze, Major Tony Dumayuga, sir. Good morning. Sa lahat ng masisipag at matatapat na officers ng buong Tauk IG from Rome, Milano, Bologna at Firenze, mga mahal naming panawin, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay nagagalak na makasama kayo sa oath-taking ceremony ng Tauk IG buong Italy. Ang pagtitipong ito ay napakahalaga sa ating lahat at napapanahon para pagtingin natin at patibayin ang samahan ito para gabayan ang ating gobyerno at protektahan ang ating mga mamayan against drugs at unlawful acts. It's time to strengthen our working partnership with local government agencies, United Nations, and other international peacekeeping groups. Now, we have to assist community-based organizations in securing funding for livelihood projects from different funding institutions, especially here abroad. It's time to awaken people's sense of responsibilities and awareness of their duties as citizens of the Philippines and of this world. As officers of this group, we want everybody to cooperate and coordinate well to our superior through channel basis. Huwag po natin kalimutan na pag may gusto po tayo mga officer ay may proper communication po tayo through channel po.
Yes, tama.